Hey everyone, welcome back to Nonstop Tech. Today we have an exciting showdown between two powerful AI models, DeepSeek AI and ChatGPT. Which one is smarter, more creative, and more useful for you? Stick around as we compare their strengths, weaknesses, and real-world applications. Let's dive in. So first, what are these AI models? DeepSeek AI is a relatively new player in the AI space, focusing on powerful natural language understanding and advanced reasoning capabilities. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is one of the most widely used AI chatbots, excelling in conversational responses, content generation, and problem solving. Both are designed to assist users with writing, coding, answering questions, and more. But how do they compare? Let's start with accuracy. When it comes to providing reliable and fact-based answers, both models pull information from extensive datasets. However, DeepSeek AI claims to have better accuracy in complex reasoning and problem-solving. ChatGPT has a more balanced approach, ensuring responses are well-structured and user-friendly. In tests, DeepSeek AI sometimes provides deeper insights, while ChatGPT ensures clear and concise explanations. So if you need detailed analysis, DeepSeek AI might be the winner here. But if you want easy-to-digest answers, ChatGPT takes the lead. What about creativity? If you're writing stories, scripts, or brainstorming ideas, ChatGPT is known for its natural storytelling abilities and engaging writing style. DeepSeek AI offers logical and structured writing, but sometimes lacks the same creative flair as ChatGPT. For content creators and writers, ChatGPT might be the better option due to its fluid, engaging, and human-like writing. Now, let's talk about coding. Both AI models are great at helping with programming tasks, but they have different strengths. DeepSeek AI specializes in complex problem-solving and technical explanations. ChatGPT is user-friendly, making it easier for beginners to learn coding concepts. If you need an AI coding assistant, DeepSeek AI might be better for advanced programmers, while ChatGPT is more accessible for learners and casual coders. Usability is a huge factor. Here's how they compare. ChatGPT has a clean, intuitive interface with seamless conversation flow. DeepSeek AI is slightly more technical, catering to users looking for deeper insights. If you want an AI that feels like a helpful friend, ChatGPT is your go-to. But if you prefer a more analytical, research-driven AI, DeepSeek AI might be the better fit. Of course, cost matters. While both AI models offer free and premium versions, pricing can vary. ChatGPT offers a premium version, ChatGPT Plus, with access to GPT-4. DeepSeek AI's pricing is still evolving and may be more budget-friendly for researchers and professionals. Always check for the latest pricing before deciding which one suits your needs best. So, who wins in this battle of AI giants? Well, it depends on what you need. For casual conversations, content creation, and user-friendly interactions, ChatGPT is a great pick. For technical problem-solving, deep reasoning, and coding assistance, DeepSeek AI could be the better choice. Which AI do you prefer? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech comparisons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.